Welcome to Session 28. Statistical inference lets us estimate a population from a sample. Today we focus on correct conclusion language, margin of error, bias, and when causation is allowed. The population is the full group you want to study. The sample is the subset you actually measure. A sample statistic estimates a population parameter. A random sample from one university can represent that university, not every college student. Because samples have uncertainty, say about or approximately, not exactly. Larger samples reduce margin of error. To cut margin of error in half, you need about 4 times the sample size. But margin of error does not repair a biased sample. Bias happens when the sample systematically misses or overrepresents a group. A larger biased sample is still biased because the problem is the sampling method. Observational studies can show association only. Randomized experiments can support causation because random assignment helps balance confounding variables. Your turn. A sample of 400 has margin of error plus or minus 4%. A new sample has 1,600 people. Pause and find the new margin of error. The sample size is multiplied by 4, so the margin of error is divided by 2. The new margin of error is plus or minus 2%. Session 28 Recap. Samples estimate population parameters. Generalize only to the sampled population. Use about instead of exactly. Larger samples reduce margin of error, and only randomized experiments support causation.